There is no sin too great for God to forgive, no wound too deep for God to heal, and no soul too far for God to reach. This powerful truth reflects the boundless mercy, healing, and grace of God. So often, people feel disqualified because of their past, ashamed of sins committed, wounds endured, or the distance they've drifted from God. But the message of the gospel is that no matter how far we've fallen, God's love reaches farther. The Bible is filled with stories of people who failed, fell, and yet were forgiven and restored. David committed adultery and murder, yet was called a man after God's own heart. Paul persecuted Christians, yet became one of the greatest apostles. Peter denied Jesus 3 times, yet was restored and used powerfully. These stories remind us God's forgiveness isn't limited by the size of our sin, it's defined by the greatness of His grace. In the same way, no wound is too deep for His healing. Whether it's emotional trauma, betrayal, addiction, or grief, God is near to the brokenhearted. He doesn't promise a life without pain, but He does promise His presence, comfort, and the ability to bring beauty from ashes. And no soul is too far gone. Even if someone has run from God for years, lived in rebellion, or feels completely unworthy, God's arm is not too short to save, as it says in Isaiah 59 verse 1. The prodigal son is welcomed with open arms not because he earned it, but because of the Father's love. If you feel distant from God, weighed down by guilt or pain, remember, God isn't looking to condemn you. He's ready to forgive, to heal, and to restore. There's no sin, wound, or distance that His grace cannot reach. Follow us on social media for more inspiring messages and updates, like share and subscribe to stay connected.